Okay, they give us a quadratic equation right here, and they want us to find all these transformations, right? And then they want us to describe. I'm more interested in you actually transforming them. So f of x minus 2. So, right, when we want f of x minus 2, we take f of x, which is x squared minus 3, right? X squared minus 3, that's the f of x, and then we have minus 2, so it's x squared minus 5, right? In this case, it's going to be shifted down. We can see that the graph is going to shift down to, that would be the actual transformation. Okay, so let's do b. We need negative 2 times f of x. So again, it's negative 2 times f of x is x squared minus 3, right? X squared minus 3. We distribute, we get negative 2x squared minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6, right? And we leave it in that format. In this case, when we multiply by a negative, we're going to reflect that. It's going to actually reflect over the x-axis. Okay, for c, we want f of x minus 2. So for this, we substitute x minus 2 wherever we see an x. So we had x squared, but it's not x squared anymore. It's x minus 2 squared minus 3. The book will leave it like that. We know by now that you cannot, so it's x squared minus 4x, right? Minus 2x plus 4 minus 3, which gives us x squared minus 4x plus 1, right? And for c, when we subtract inside of the parentheses there, that's going to shift it to the right 2 units. And then d, let's see if we can fit it, f of negative 2x, right? So everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put a negative 2x. So I have negative 2x squared minus 3. We square that. Negative 2 squared is 4x squared, right, minus 3 for that. In this case, when we multiply by a negative inside the parentheses, it's going to reflect over the y-axis, right? It's going to reflect over the y-axis.